Well, hey guys, I'm joined by Phil.
Hi guys.
And we're going to be fitting hardtop to Phil's TR6. Now, you last fitted this to your car, when was it?
I fitted it in 2013, Steve, because it normally doesn't rain in Britain, so I didn't really need it, you know.
No, it's very rare that we get grey clouds in Britain, you know, it's normally like Miami there, isn't it?
We had to order these especially, didn't we?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
normally
anyway,
it's blinding sunshine, but anyway, we're going to fit it, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to try and show you guys, you know, us having a laugh fitting this hardtop, and hopefully it might be some help to you guys. So the first thing we've got to do is get rid of this soft top and make room for the hardtop. So
let's get that done.
well, that's the soft top up. It come off quite nicely there, didn't it?
Even with me and you doing it, Steve, it came out all right.
Yeah,
okay,
you know, no seized nuts and bolts, but you have had it off before, so.
Well, it's still a bit new, you know, like your 73, it's still a bit new.
73, it's barely even worn in there,
exactly.
isn't it? So I think
easy.
The next thing to do is obviously put the hardtop on, and we're going to use Phil's cover on the back here as we go to
My
put
deluxe paint protection cover going on now.
Definitely. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bolt the soft top at the front here, these two bolts, so we'll feed those into place. Obviously the cover's going to go off the back just to protect paint job, and then as those are sort of half tightened up, we'll just lift up the hardtop, pull the cover away, and then bolt it around the back, and then it should be job done.
Yeah.
Well, that's gone on quite well there, isn't it, Phil?
I thought so, yeah.
Yeah, you know, I mean, even a guy like you and me is capable of fitting a hardtop.
If we can do it, anyone can, Steve.
Absolutely,
that's true.
absolutely what we say. So, anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And cheers, Phil.
Cheers, Steve. Yep.
I'll see you in the next video. Take care.